All right, here's another cool one. This is a Nissan Ariya. I didn't even know these existed. This is from 2019, but this is an electric vehicle, and I love that Tomica because I have a couple of their newer EV stuff. I love how like the headlights and grills, they just look awesome because they're like glass. So look at that, or clear plastic, I should say, imitation of glass, of the glass stuff in real life. But pretty cool. I do love the color. Again, Nissan Ariya, their EV SUV. All right, so you've probably seen this pink car in Walmart. It's one of the ones that came over, but it is a Toyota Athlete, Toyota Crown Athlete. Um, this is 2013. Maybe it's a different version, but it does stand out with that pink. So the Crown Majesta, like I said, it came in my batch, so nothing opens up. That's kind of sorry. No trunk or doors, but nonetheless, looks cool.